In today's video, we're going to be looking at our Spotlight search settings. Spotlight search is a very useful tool on macOS, and it's great for finding documents and applications you need. To get this up, we need to go to our system preferences and then Spotlight, and from here we can check what applications or sort of things we want to show up when we search. So as you can see currently, applications is ticked, and if I search music, it's going to come up with the music application. However, if I were to untick applications from this, and then search music once again, as you can see, no applications show up, only websites and everything else I've got it set to. I hope this helps. Visit Kazzicom.com for more information on IT support, cloud solutions, Office 365 and many more services.